Namaste, kia ora everyone. Welcome to Jojo's Speed 400 oil change. So I've already set up and warmed the bike for 5 minutes. It's level on a paddock stand. I have a drain pan underneath and I've set my section. I'm doing it in 4 steps. Drain oil, replace filter, strainer, fill oil. Here's my stuff for step 1. 18mm socket, drain pan. Step 2, I have the 8mm socket and tools. Step 3, a 13mm socket, and then step 4, oil as per specs and a narrow funnel. Let's do this. Oh, by the way, I've never done this, so hopefully it's a useful resource and gives you confidence out there if you've never done it too. Ha! Okay, step 1, we're going to remove the drain plug, drain oil completely, and clean the strainer using the 18mm socket. I've got some gloves, put a bit of pressure when removing the drain nut, and use pliers to pull the strainer out. And we're going to wash it with the brake cleaner. Check the O-rings are okay and looking new, and check for any medical part. Okay, we're going to put the 18mm socket onto this here and gently take it out and let the oil come out into the drain pan underneath. Nut in place, some kind of extension, and then I'm going to put this in and unscrew it. I'm applying a bit of pressure. Now just let that drain. And go for a surf and come back in a couple of hours. Actually, it didn't take long, so I'll get this out now gently with pliers. Oopsie. I'll just put that into here for now, and I'll just attack it with some brake cleaner. And got my nut there to clean too. Clean your nut. Just have a look here as per the notes. Making sure it all looks new, the O-ring looks nice, and checking for metal particles. I will give it a quick clean with the brake cleaner now. Oh yeah, that's looking real clean now. Looks like a brand new part. So that's step 1 done. The oil is just dripping out a little bit now. Now we're going to go on to step 2, which is replace the filter. We're going to remove the cover plate, remove cover, and replace filter. And that's all going to happen down here. Bling bling. Just checking we've got everything for step 2. Got our filter, socket, which is 8mm, and the tools and the Allen key, etc. Allen key, product placement, triumph. Really easy this. Not too tight at all. Good to get a sense of what 11 nanometers feels like. There's your cover plate, and then we've got this nut underneath too. This is so easy, this one. Just work your way around, loosen these 4, and then take them all out. Okay, cover plate's off. Remember, keep everything neat so you know which order to put things back. And next we're going to take off these 2 bolts here to get to the filter. Keep your drain pan underneath too, because as it loosens, the oil comes out. So we remove the cover plate, and now that has come off. Check the O-ring, give it a little clean out, etc. And this is what we're looking at. That's the filter, just dripping out there, and then we'll just get that replaced with this new one here. We'll just, while that drains out, make a little quick filter latte. Caramel latte, anyone? Soak it up. I've wiped this with a bit of brake cleaner, and I sprayed a bit of brake cleaner in here as well. Now let's give it a good clean out with the lint-free cloth. And check out the difference. You can see how the one on the right's done its job and the one on the left is ready to rock. Really push this right in, so it's really in as far as it goes. Okay, while I'm going to pull this out. That's the strainer, or sump as I've heard it called, with a 13mm socket. I'll remove that, clean it, and reinstall it. So I want to get that out so it can drip into here while I reassemble some of this. Beautiful. Brake clean time. Oh, beautiful. Oh yeah, this is looking good. Looks good. What is this bit again? It's the strainer sump. Gotcha. Right, so that's the strainer sump going back in there, and then I will put the other strainer in there. Beauty. Can you see? Oh yeah, it's a bit tricky, but we'll try our best. Yeah, we aim to please crumbs. Hang on, it's a better angle. There. Get them covered up. Right, so everything's in place on this side. We'll go over to the other side and check we've done 1, 2, and 3, and do number 4, which is filled with oil. Okay, so we've drained oil. Yes. Replace filter. Yes. Strainer. Yes. Well, no, we've got to do that next. Narrow funnel, 2 litres of oil. Okay. Sweet. This is the oil cap to remove. We'll get this funnel here and we'll top up with this oil, then this one, and don't forget our little bit left over from soaking the filter. I'll be back. And don't forget our little, look at the difference in the colour. Wow, it's like brandy. Make sure you pour that in too. Tight. Boom. So there you go, you've done it. You have drained your oil, replaced filter, strainer, filled your oil, and you're ready to go. Well done. And disclaimer, that's the first time I've ever done it, so if you have any questions, don't ask me, ask an expert. And you can put the old oil back into here and chuck it on Trade Me. Just jokes. Get it disposed of properly. Yeah, really good book. And yeah, keep it shining side up. Stay safe out there. Keep training, keep learning. Thanks for watching. Ka kite.